Today, we're diving into every aspect of the Galaxy S25 series, from screen innovations to color options, processing power, and design details, plus what all of these updates mean for Samsung fans and potential buyers alike. Rumors have been swirling around the Galaxy S25 Ultra's screen technology. Many expected Samsung to roll out its M14 OLED panels, known for enhanced power efficiency and incredible peak brightness. However, according to sources like Korea's ET News, Samsung is likely to retain its M13 OLED panels for the Galaxy S25 series, including the Ultra variant. The M14 OLED panels offer around a 20 to 30% boost in efficiency and are built with a new red diam host material, extending lifespan and enhancing color vibrancy. However, Samsung's choice to hold off on the M14 upgrade for the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be a strategic move, focusing on other high-end features rather than display technology alone. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely be one of the first smartphones to feature Qualcomm's cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite processor, developed on a 3nm process. This new chipset isn't just faster, it's also expected to deliver a substantial leap in energy efficiency, allowing for longer battery life and smoother overall performance. Reports reveal that Samsung might be exploring new color options to make the Galaxy S25 series visually striking. The standard S25 and S25 Plus models could come in shades like moonlight blue, silver shadow, sparkling blue, and sparkling green. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely feature classic yet premium colors like black, blue, gray, and silver. The Galaxy S25 will feature a 6.36-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering incredible brightness and sharp color reproduction. It's protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3, ensuring top-tier durability. Up front, a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera is expected to capture high-quality selfies, while the rear hosts a triple-camera setup comprising wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses optimized for various photography needs. The Galaxy S25 series is rumored to bring new AI-driven features, thanks to a closer collaboration between Samsung and Google. These features could redefine how we use our smartphones, with more intuitive voice commands, real-time text translation, and personalized app recommendations based on user behavior. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.